Gotta go find that clamp. Hey y'all, it's Mr. Ropes. I'm here today with my 99 Chevy Silverado, the Battle Wagon. If anybody has been following me on Instagram, I put a short little story. We had a catastrophe with this truck, a cattle trailer, 5 cows in the back, going up our steep farm road to the top. We had a pull in tandem with the tractor, the 2012 Chevy Silverado, and it was a mess. I couldn't get my four-wheel drive into low four-wheel drive. We went up in high four-wheel drive, tried to, and had the tractor pulling me, and I blew a hose off my radiator core, and I looked at it, and the fitting was broke, and I kind of panicked a bit because, shoot, I thought I'd have to fix that heater core, take it all out of the dash, and replace that heater core to fix it. But it turns out Chevy has a quick connect adapter on their heater core hose, so it should be a really easy fix. So if you're not following me already, follow me, subscribe, hit that bell, and that way you get notice of when I put out another video. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Look us up, Ropes and Wings, and put a lot of content out on there as well. But today we're going to fix this quick connect adapter for this heater core, get my radiator, my water situation figured out, so then we can figure out if there's any other problems with this four-wheel drive. I know that I have a problem with the four-wheel drive because the light says service four-wheel drive, but that'll be another day and another post. But today we'll just fix this quick connect and get water back in it and get it running. Well, here we have it here. You can see right there. Let me get you down in there. Okay, there's where the heater core hose had broke off the connector, the quick connect, and right here's my heater core hose. So it broke off in there. You can see that. And we got to disconnect that and put the new one on. Alright, so here we got a tool kit to get that quick disconnect, or that quick disconnect off that fitting. It'll probably be this tool right here once I break her out of the package. And then we have our adapter that goes on there. I think Chevy did it right by doing this. They probably had a common problem with that breaking off at the heater core, and decided to put an adapter on there so it would not break off and you wouldn't have to replace the heater core. But inside here, you got there's 4 little clips that you can see in there that have to be depressed with that tool in order to slide it off. So you slide the tool in there and depress those tabs, and it should come right off. Alright, so it's actually going to be the 3/4 inch right here. See how that fits on there? Depresses those tabs, and then it should slide right off. So that goes over your through the back side and gets pushed in there to that adapter. Pretty neat. Now I'm going to have a little bit of problem getting up in here in the truck. I'll rearrange some stuff here and get in here. But this should go, this will slide right in behind the adapter and push in and depress those. Well, it should. Of course. Always happens here. Rub some wings. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I got it. Take my tool off. So I have my tool, and here is the old quick connect with the pins in there that this tool depresses. So there's the old one. We got her off. Now we just got to get the new one back on. So that should just, the new one should just actually slide right on here. Got the new one. Slide right on right here. Bam. The clips connect. And now I just have to get my old piece out of that hose. And I gotta go get a pliers. I don't have a pliers right on me now. And we'll hook that that hose up. That's not a new hose. It looks pretty good yet, so I'm just gonna leave it go. But we'll hook that up. All right. Got our pliers. Let's move our clamp back. Gotta go find that clamp. So I should get in here with that needle nose and get that piece out of there. Get that old piece out of there. There's the neck of it. Put our clamp back on our hose. Hopefully it don't go sailing again. Make sure that's on there. Good and tight. Get it on there. All right, we're good to go. Good to go. Hose back on, clamps back on. Now we just gotta put water in and make sure all the air is out of it. Now you want to make sure that you fill your reservoir before we start this thing up. Make sure you get your antifreeze back in there. It's a closed system. I don't have a radiator cap, so we have to fill it from our reservoir tank. And once we start it up, we're going to have to keep putting in fluid till we get the bubbles worked out. So I'm just going to fill this and let it run for a bit, and hopefully we should be good to go and no other leaks anywhere else. All right, make sure that you start your truck and run it. So we got a reservoir filled up. We're gonna start and run it, and we're going to gonna need to run it for a little bit, heat it up to let the thermostat open up, and make sure we got all the bubbles out of the system. We did run out of a lot of our antifreeze up there on the hill. We're switching it, and so we're gonna keep an eye on it, keep filling it. I'm using a full concentrate of antifreeze, so I'm going a gallon of antifreeze and a gallon of water, because that needs to be mixed 50-50. Just so you know. We lost a lot. Bubble down. Really, that's all there is to it. So it's more simple than I ever thought it would be. But all I got to do now is just run the truck and make sure all the bubbles are worked out of the system, and keep adding my antifreeze, and we should be good to go. And then we'll figure out the four-wheel drive problem. But for now, that's done. Simple. So if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you can get notifications when I put on another video. And follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and hope to see you soon. Have a good one. It's 86 degrees and I'm hot. See you now.